arithmetic and geometric sequence. Arithmetic sequence, activity 1.3. Find the difference between consecutive terms for each of the following sequences. Okay. Termoota walitti aanan gidduu garaagarummaa jiru barbaadaa jechaa jira. So termiin jalqabaa 3dha. Inni itti aanu 7, 11, 15. So what's the difference between 7 and 3? 7 minus 3, 4. 11 minus 7, 4. 15 minus 11, 4. So the difference is 4. Similarly, the difference between 3 and minus 1, minus 4, minus 1 and minus 5, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 9. Difference in as get usually minus 4 dha jechuudha. So arithmetic sequence keessatti why common difference the general terms of the sequence waan jedhu ilaalla. So let us see the definition. Arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression is a sequence in which each term except the first is obtained by adding the fixed number which may be positive or negative to the preceding terms. Termi isa dursee dhufutti common fixed number idaanee kan argannu sequencing akkasii arithmetic sequence jedhama jechuudha. The fixed number is called common difference. Fixed number kun immoo common difference jedhama. So for example, let's see this example. For the following arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, what is the first term, third term, and common difference? And find the sixth term. Common difference termiiwwan kana gidduu jiru argachuudhaaf termii 5 irraa 3 gaafa irratti 3 arganna, 8 irraa 5 3. So difference in termoota gidduu jiru commonly is 3. Okay, so it is common difference. First term jechuun 2, third term jechuun 8. So the common difference is 3. The sixth term argachuudhaaf 14 irratti 3 ida'uudha jechuudha. Maaliif first term is 2, second term is 5, third term is 8, fourth term is 11, fifth term is 14. So the sixth term is 14 plus 3, which is 17. Okay, let's example 2. Consider the first term of the arithmetic sequence 10 and the common difference is minus 4. Find the terms from second to fifth term. Termii lammaffaa irraa haga shanaffaa kan jiru barbaadeera. Maaltu nu kenname? First termii nu kennameera, which is 10. The common difference nu kennameera, which is minus 4. Okay. First term irraa irratti common difference ida'uudhaan second term argannaa jiru. So 10 plus minus 3, minus 4, sorry, which is 6. Then termii sadaffaa argachuudhaan immoo 3 irratti 6 irratti minus 4 idaanaa jechuudha. The third term is second term plus minus 4. Second term is 6. 6 plus minus 4, 2. The fourth term is the third term plus the common difference, which is minus 4. Then 2 plus minus 4, minus 2. Bifa kanaan haga gaafatamne deemuu dandeenya jechuudha. Exercising kun waan example asii olitti tuqne kana wal fakkaatu waan ta'eef waan ulfaataa miti. So ilaallee dabarra. For the following arithmetic sequence, what are the first term, third term, and common difference? Find the sixth term jedha. First term in 3, second term 5, 7 is third term, 9 is fourth term, 11 is fifth term. The sixth term is common difference barbaanne asirratti da'uudha jechuudha. Common difference keenya meeqa ta'a jechuudha? 5 irra 3, 2. 7 irra 5 is 2. So 2 lamaan dabalaa jira. So common difference is 2. 11 plus 2, 13. The sixth term is 13. And maal gaafatamne kan biraa third term jechuun termii sadaffaa irratti argama 7. Common difference barbaanne jira. So it is easy task. Okay, you can do it by yourself. B you can try it. Okay, the second question is find the terms from second to fifth of arithmetic sequence with the first term is 1 and the common difference is 5. First term tokko common difference 5. So second term argachuudhaaf tokko irratti 5 dabalaa jechuudha, which is 6. Bifuma kanaan third term argachuudhaaf immoo second term irratti 5 dabalaa jechuudha. 6 irratti 5 fura tokko ta'a jechuudha. Third term bifuma kanaan haga barbaadne deemuu dandeenya jechuudha. Try B for by yourself and This is the general terms of arithmetic sequence. The general terms of arithmetic sequence formula ittiin barbaaduu nu dandeessu derive goona asitti. So from activity 1.3 A 3, 7, 11, 15, 19 the first term is 3 then the common difference is 4. Let the common difference is be D. Common difference is D jennee haa fudhannu kan bakka buufnu. Let A n is the nth term of the sequence. Okay. A1 in keenya 3 termii jalqabaa waan ta'eef A1 3 ta'a. A2 immoo 7 which is 3 plus 4. Okay. 3 plus 4. 4 kan nuuf kennu waan ta'eef 3 plus 4 jechuu dandeenya termii lammaffaa keenya. But 3 is A1, 4 is D. Common difference asitti nuuf kennamee jira waan ta'eef jechuudha. So 3 A1 dhaan bakka buusne 4 immoo D dhaan bakka buusna. Common difference keenya bakka buusna. A3 is bifuma sanii A3 keenya mee 11 jechuun 3 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 11. So bifa kanaan in terms of A1 and D didiriirsinaa jechuudha. Gaafa kana 3 A1 dha. 4 plus 4 is 2D. 4 lama waan ta'eef 2D dhaan bakka buusuu dandeenya jechuudha. Seen A4 similarly A1 plus 3D jennee bakka buusuu dandeenya asitti common difference 3 waan ta'eef jechuudha. 4, 4, 4 so 3D. Bifa kanaan gaafa itti fufnu maal arganna? AN termii jedhuuf A1 plus N minus 1D argannaa jedha. Maaliif asitti A4 gaafa ilaaltan A jedhee 4 asitti immoo D coefficientiin D kunis 3 subscriptii 4 A kana tokkoon hir'ataa jechuudha. A3 gaafa ilaaltan 2D A2 gaafa ilaaltan 1D. So for AN's term our general term can be A1 plus N minus 1D formula jedhu derive gochuu dandeenya jechuudha. Suppose AN have the terms A1, A2, A3 up to infinity which is arithmetic sequence. A2 maal ta'a? A1 plus D ta'a. A3 immoo maal ta'a? A2 plus D ta'a which is A1 plus D plus D. Okay? A3 A2 plus D ta'a. A2 immoo A1 plus D ta'a miti. So bakka A2 A1 plus D gaafa buusnu A1 plus D plus D tan ammoo qabnaasi. So D meeqa arganne? 2 arganne. So 2D jennaan jechuudha. A1 plus 2D. Similarly what we have done here. Okay. A4 A3 plus D dha. Then A3 immoo maal arganne jirra asitti A3 A1 plus 2D arganne jirra. So A1 plus 2D plus this D 3D ta'a jechuudha. A1 plus 3D. So our general formula we can derive this general formula at the last. Okay. This is a general formula of arithmetic sequence. Theorem 1.1. If AN is arithmetic sequence with the first term A1 and the common difference D, then the nth term of the sequence is given by AN is equals to A1 plus N minus 1 times D. Okay, let's see this example. You should have remembered this formula. Okay, this is the concept point in the sequence. Okay. Let's see example 1. Find the general term of the sequence AN when the first term is which is A1 5. The common difference which is D 4. So general term barbaaduu dandeenya jechuudha. Formula kana keessatti substitute gochuudha dhufneeto. Bakka A1 5 bakka D 4 galchine AN in terms of N derive goonee teessuu dandeenya jechuudha. So it is easy task and see example 2. What is the 31st term of the sequence? What is the 31st term of the sequence? 1, 4, 7, 10. Okay, termii 31ffaa sequence kana maal ta'uu danda'edha? A1 keenya tokko, then 4, 7, 10. Sadiin dabalaa jira. Common difference keenya 3. So A31 barbaanna. By using that general term, we can find A31 because we have A1 and D3. So AN is equals to A1 into N minus 1 times D. So A1 is 1, 1 plus 3, 3. D is 3, so 3 into n minus 1. Then we get this. So to find n a31, we substitute 31 for n, like this. Okay, let's see this example exercise. I mean, find the general term of the sequence an. General term of the sequence an ni barbaadaadha. So a1 if d nu kennee jira. Directly substituting those values in our general formula, we can find an. Okay, this is not that much difficult. You can practice it. Okay, let me let me jump to further or arithmetic sequence. Okay, arithmetic sequence, when the third term is 10 and the sixth term is 1, find the general term of the sequence. Kana dura kan laalaa turre keessatti A1 fi D nuu kennee exercise kana keessatti A1 fi D nuu kennee general term barbaadamu jechaa ture. Kuni salphaadha. Directly substitute gochuudha formula keessatti. Asitti garuu xiqqoo jijjiiruu yaade termii sadaffaa 10, termii ja'affaa tokko nuu kennee general termii barbaada jedha. So here we can see the solution. B irratti immoo find A8 is termii barbaada. This is the solution. Okay, this is a new concept, so pay attention. A3 third term, which is 10, is equals to A1 plus 3 minus 1. 3 jechuun n minus 1 times d jechaa turremi. N keenya bakka n 3 fayyadamuu dandeenya. Because A3 nuu kennamee jira waan ta'eef, so 3 minus 1 2d ta'a jechuudha. A3 keenya 10, so 10 is equals to 1 plus 2d. 3 minus 1 2. Similarly, A6 is equals to A1 plus 6 minus 1 times d. 6 is n. Okay, because we have A6. A6 in Kenya 1 and 1 is equals to A1 plus 5d. Look here. Maal qabnaa asitti equation lamaa fi variable lama qabnaa jira. So we can find the two variables by using substitution method or elimination method or another method you wish. Okay, subtracting those two equations, equation kana lama walirraa hir'isuudhaan gaafa walirraa hir'isnu A1 if A1 in wal qixaaf waan ta'eef gaafa walirraa hir'isnu 0 ta'a. So we left only with d. Okay, so shan hir'isuu 5d minus 2d 3d, then this term is 0. 1 minus 10 minus 9, then 3d equals to minus 9, then d is equals to minus 3. D minus 0 can. So to find A1, we can simply substitute d in one of these equations. Okay, when we substitute d in equation 1, A1 plus 2d is equals to 10. So A1 plus 2 times minus 3. When we substitute minus 3 for d, then we get A1 10 plus 6. Okay, A1 minus 6. When we take this minus 6 to the side of 10, it becomes plus 6. And we get A1 16. Therefore, the general term becomes AN plus A1. AN is equals to A1 plus n minus 1 times d. D argannee jirra, A1 argannee jirra. So substitute gochuudhaan dhumarratti kana argachuu dandeenya jechuudha general term keenya. So find A's term jedhamne termii 8ffaa gaafa barbaadnu bakka n'itti 8 galchuudha jechuudha. Bakka n'itti 8 gaafa galchinu 19 hir'isuu 24 ta'a. Minus 3 times 8 is 24. 90 minus 24, which is minus 5. Okay, let's see example 2. Example 2, determine whether or not the sequence with the following general terms are arithmetic or not. General term tokko nuuf kenname, then general term kun sequence dhamoo miti kan jedhu adda baasuudhaaf yoo barbaanne yoo gaafatamne mala ittiin waan sana gochuu dandeenyu baranna jechuudha. For example, let's see an is equals to 3n minus 2. So this is general term. To check whether this general term is arithmetic sequence or not, general termii kanatti aanee termii dhufu barbaada. General termiin kun an dha. Then we need to find an plus 1. Then after finding an plus 1 by subtracting an from an plus 1, if we get a constant number, we can say that sequence is arithmetic sequence. If not, the result is not a constant term, we can say it's not arithmetic sequence. Okay, let's see. To solve such type of problem, we have to show the difference between successive term is constant. Okay, let's see. An is 3n minus 2. So an plus 1 barbaanna. An plus 1 is equals to 3. Bakka n plus 1 is buusuudhaan an plus 1 kan barbaanna. Bakka n kana n plus 1 is substitute goona jechuudha. Substitute n plus 1 for n, then 3n plus 3 minus 2. So 3n plus 1 arganna jechuudha. Then to check whether the general term is arithmetic sequence or not, we have to subtract an plus 1 minus an, which is equals to 3n plus 1 minus 3n minus 2, which is 3. This is constant, okay? Yeah. So since the difference between successive term is constant, the arithmetic sequence, it is the arithmetic sequence. B alalomamu an keenya 3n square minus 2. Then an is equal to 3n square minus 2. An plus 1 is 3 into n plus 1 the whole square minus 2. 3n plus 1 kan the whole square gaafa goon ofii isaatiin baay'isuudha jechuudha. Deebisnee maal arganna? Kan arganna then minus 2. So when we multiply 3 by each of terms here in bracket, we get 3n square plus 6n plus 1. So an plus 1 in Kenya kana jechuudha. Then what we have to do is subtract an from this an plus 1. Then we get 3n square plus 6n plus 1 minus 3n square minus 2. Then we get 6n plus 3, which is not constant, right? So this general term is not the arithmetic sequence, okay? This is the way we can differentiate the arithmetic sequence from the general term, which is not arithmetic sequence.